Upgrade home security with advanced smart locks designed for keyless entry, remote access, and real-time monitoring. Featuring biometric fingerprint scanning, PIN codes, and smartphone app integration, these locks offer seamless control from anywhere. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best smart locks you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. Enhance your home security with the Aqara Smart Lock U200, a cutting-edge lock that seamlessly integrates with the Matter platform. Designed for effortless connectivity, it works with Apple Home, Google Home, Amazon Alexa, Samsung SmartThings, and Aqara Home. Remote unlocking and automation features are accessible through the Aqara Hub M3, ensuring smooth operation within the Aqara ecosystem. Please note that the U200 is only compatible with the M3 hub and doesn't support other Aqara Zigbee hubs. Unlocking is effortless with multiple methods, including Apple Home keys, fingerprint, password, and NFC. Bluetooth and Thread allow flexible app-based control, while temporary passwords enable secure access for guests. A mechanical key is included for backup. Installation is hassle-free, designed for single-cylinder deadbolt locks without requiring drilling or permanent modifications. Its rechargeable Li-ion battery provides up to 6 months of operation, with additional support for 1.5-volt AAA batteries and hardwired power. With robust smart home integration, advanced security features, and a user-friendly design, the Aqara U200 is a reliable choice for modern homeowners looking for a secure, flexible, and easy-to-install smart lock. Experience next-level home security with the Philips EasyKey DDL801, a smart push-pull door lock designed for seamless control and safety. Once connected to the gateway and paired with the mobile app, this advanced lock lets you monitor and manage your door from anywhere, offering real-time access logs, remote unlocking, and instant security alerts at your fingertips. Stay in control no matter where you are. The DDL801 allows remote access via the mobile app, enabling you to check lock status, track entry history, and receive push notifications for security concerns such as tampering or forced entry. Its intelligent system ensures you're always informed about your home's safety. Share secure access effortlessly. The remote PIN code sharing function allows you to generate one-time, recurring, or time-limited codes, ensuring controlled entry for visitors without compromising security. The ULTRALOQ Latch 5 revolutionizes home security with the world's first built-in Wi-Fi 6 keyless entry system. Offering multiple ways to unlock, it supports fingerprint recognition, smartphone app control, PIN codes, and a traditional key for ultimate convenience. Designed to work exclusively with 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi 6 routers, this smart lock ensures a seamless connection without requiring an extra gateway. Ideal for rental property owners and homeowners alike, the integrated Wi-Fi lets you share temporary access codes remotely through the ULTRALOQ app. Guests, family members, or service providers can enter without needing a physical key. The app also enables real-time notifications, access logs, and complete control over user permissions, working flawlessly on both iOS and Android devices. Built for durability, the Latch 5 boasts a rugged zinc alloy construction, capable of withstanding daily use in harsh weather. Rain or shine, it keeps your home secure. Installation is effortless, designed to fit standard US doors with no wiring or drilling needed. A screwdriver is included for quick setup. Backed by a 30-day return policy, lifetime mechanical warranty, and an 18-month electronic warranty, the ULTRALOQ Latch 5 provides security, convenience, and reliability in one sleek package. The UEFI Security Video Smart Lock S330 is a groundbreaking 3-in-1 security solution, combining rapid fingerprint recognition, a high-definition 2K camera, and an advanced video doorbell. Designed for modern convenience, it offers 5 secure unlocking methods: fingerprint recognition, the eufy security app, Alexa or Google Voice Assistants, a keypad or a traditional key, ensuring effortless access for every user. Wherever you are, stay connected to your home with the built-in 2K HD camera and real-time notifications. The UFI security app lets you monitor your doorstep, grant or restrict access, and receive instant alerts when someone approaches, making remote management seamless and reliable. Powerful and built to last, the S330 features a massive 10,000 mAh rechargeable battery for extended use. Its robust construction meets BHMA certification, boasts an IP65 water-resistant rating, and withstands extreme temperatures from -22 degrees Fahrenheit to 158 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring reliable operation in all seasons. Installation is quick and hassle-free, fitting standard US and Canadian deadbolt setups in just 15 minutes without drilling. Backed by a 12-month warranty and 24/7 customer support, it guarantees peace of mind. The Philips DDL303 redefines home security by integrating a door viewer, doorbell, and smart lock into a single device. With Wi-Fi connectivity and Smart Life app integration, you can remotely unlock your door and track access history for ultimate control and peace of mind. Equipped with a 3.5-inch IPS display, the lock allows real-time monitoring without needing to open the door, making it ideal for families with elderly members or young children. A single press of the number sign key activates the doorbell and captures a visitor's photo, instantly uploading it to the app for verification and remote unlocking. For added security, the 20-digit hidden PIN code feature prevents unauthorized access by allowing random numbers to be entered alongside the actual PIN. Emergency situations are covered with a quick open handle and rotary knob, ensuring seamless egress even if the smart system malfunctions. The lock is compatible with various mechanical mortises, making installation effortless. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Your support means the world to me. I always look forward to reading your comments and hearing your thoughts, so be sure to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next on this channel.